Hello YouTubers, today I'll be showing you how to install the Xposed framework on your Lollipop device, and I'm using the stock Android version on my Nexus 4. And this is a Nexus 4, as you can see. And let me start. You need to be, you need to root your Nexus 4, and then I also have a custom recovery installed. As the Xposed framework is in the beta version, there are many things in hand which you need to do before you actually go ahead with the process. First thing you need to do is to get into your device, and then go to the recovery option, and then actually take a backup in order to save yourself from any boot loop which might occur in the process. As this release of the Xposed framework is an alpha release, it might have many bugs and stuff, so be careful. Firstly, you need to go to the recovery mode and then take a backup. Go to recovery mode, and then go to the backup option which is over here, and then swipe to take the backup. It will take a while for the backup to be finished, and I'll be back in a second once the backup is completed. As you can see, the backup's done. Now you need to reboot your system. Taking a backup is actually a precautionary measure. Yeah, I'll do that every time I actually experiment with my Android device, so I can actually reverse my mistakes which I had done during the process. So yeah, I'll go to Chrome and search for these files. Search for Xposed. Framework. And then go to the XDA form for this thing, and then download the alpha release. After going to this thing, you need to go to Xposed Lollipop form, which is over here, official Xposed Lollipop form, and then you need to download the files which are over here, these two files, the first one and the last one, or the first one, yeah, Chrome always, and then download the second file which is over here. You need to have your Nexus rooted. Always, it's a no-go for you people. Now then go to settings and then disable this thing. You need to go to security and then check the unknown sources option which is over here. Yeah, it'll give you a warning. Check that. Then yeah, both the files are downloaded. Now you need to install the Xposed installer file. So here, then install that. Accept that. There it is installed. If you open the Xposed installer, if you go inside, there's a chance that it might actually go into boot loop, so be careful. This is an experimental version, as I told you, it's an alpha release. Now once you install that, you need to go back to the TWRP. Yeah, for that you need to switch off the Android device, and then flash the zip file which you downloaded a minute ago. keep pressing the volume down button and then keep pressing the power button. It'll take to you the bootloader thing, sorry for that. Then go to the recovery mode by using the arrow keys, and then arrow keys in the sense volume button, and then click on the power button to select that. And then go install the file which you downloaded, the Xposed ARM file which is over here, which you downloaded from the XDA forums, and then swipe to install it. Yeah, because it's an alpha release, you need to do all this crap, or else if it's a final release you don't have to do any of this shit. So now click reboot system and wait for the Android OS to boot up. Right now very few Xposed tweaks are working, and because it's an alpha release there are only few apps which are working, and I generally use Xposed kernel, Xposed framework for displaying the network speed in my notification area, and I'll be showing you that alone in this video as of now. And in the next videos, in the upcoming videos, I'll be showing you all the working Xposed tweaks. Wait for the Android to be booted. Yeah, I'll be back in a while once the Android's booted. Yeah, it is booted up, and it's actually setting up all the files, refreshing all the installed files. It'll take a while. I'll be back once that's done. The Nexus is finally booted up. Check this, and now in order to install any of the frameworks, like any of the tweaks in the frameworks, go to the Xposed installer, and for example I'll be installing network speed indicator, which actually shows your speed in this in this area. So now go to downloads and search for an app called network speed indicator. Network speed indicator. Yeah, normally these things will not be shown in the versions. You need to enable the versions to be shown, and then enable the check the experimental high risk of works thing, and then go to versions and then download it. Normally it'll be having a download option. I had already downloaded it previously, so now I'll be having an install option. So click on install that. You want to install, click on the done, and then go to downloads, and then go back to the framework, then go to modules, and you need to enable the module which you actually downloaded right now. Check this option which is over here, and then go back to framework, and then you need to reboot your phone in order for these actions to be applied to your phone. So I'll be clicking the soft reboot. Okay, on soft reboot and click OK. boot it up. Let's check whether the tweak is working or not. Yeah, it's pretty much working. It's showing the network speed instantly beside the Wi-Fi notification. And that's it for now, people. In the future videos I'll be showing you all the tweaks which are working for Lollipop. And thank you very much for watching, and if you like the video, please click on the thumbs up button, which is the like button in the right corner. And if you want any of my latest videos to be appeared in your YouTube homepage, please do subscribe. Thank you, people. Goodbye.